How to add polygon in Adobe Acrobat. Alright, you are ready to learn how to add a polygon to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This isn't just fun, it's incredible use for marking of the documents with precision. Let's dive in. First thing first, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. I have already done mine. After opening the PDF, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is, you will see a toolbar right over here. And if you tap on save, that will open a few options for you. On this option, you will see an option for the polygon, which is right over here. Tap on it. And if you're not seeing a toolbar right over here, what you can do is simply go to find text and tools over here and search for polygon. So here's the polygon. Due to the security reason, you also may not be seeing these options over here. But what we will say is polygon, and beside it, you will see an option for the add comments. Simply tap on it. Now your cursor have the power of making a polygon wherever you want. Let's make a polygon right over here. And what you have to do is simply tap on it and stretch the line just like this. Okay, tap on it. So this became one line like this. This became another, this one. Okay, and so I may not make a perfect polygon, but this is the whole idea of making polygon like this. Once done, simply stretch this out too, and let's connect this one, and that made our polygon. And there you have it. Your polygon is ready to highlight the information like a pro. Use it whenever you need to emphasize, annotate, or draw attention to something important. Feel free to practice and get creative. That's a quick tutorial on adding polygons using Adobe Acrobat. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.